Friends, today I want to talk about the C sharp struct layout and actually how you can use it to form what are called unions in programming languages such as C and C++. Basically, what you can do is you can just make a normal struct. So if you have made it as normal struct called test union, and I have declared some field. There's an integer, there is a character and a byte. And in normally what happens when you are trying to work with unions in other languages such as C, you can set the value. So here I'm saying x is equal to new test union, and I can set the value of one of the variables. In this case, let's say character C to be capital A, ASCII A. And once I've done that, this value can actually be set in other instances to something else also. But let's say once we do this, we got a struct layout union. We can print what is the value of I if we print this union or print this struct as an integer or integer field. What do we get? And if we print it as a character, and what do we get it as a byte? So to simulate this, what you can do is there is a special directive you can use in C sharp. It's called the runtime interop services struct layout, and you can say you are doing a layout kind of explicit layout. And once you do an explicit layout, you can specify how these fields are laid out in memory. For example, I'm saying that the integer is laid out at field offset 0. Char is also laid out at field offset 0, the same place, and the byte is also laid out at the same place. So that's how you can get unions in C sharp. And once you do this, if I run this program, what you will expect is, since everything is at offset 0, this is coming up as decimal 65 only. Even though I only set it as character A, you can read what is the value as an integer as I, and you can see A and 65. And if you want to look at the ASCII codes, for example, here you can see that the 65 decimal is an ASCII code A, and that's what we get. And just to show you that it is kind of working, you can also change it to let's say this character, or maybe let me just change it this way. I can say I is equal to 64, which was just one above. And if I do the .NET run, oh, it didn't save, sorry. Okay, now it is saved, so let me run it. Here you can see now it is showing us the add symbol. And so you can see this layout and unions is pretty good. This can be useful in certain cases where you want to have a struct where the different fields are taking the same place in memory, and they can be interpreted a little bit differently. It is also used for some other kind of programming, the networking programming, low-level programming, where you want to be able to specify the layout of all the fields in a struct in an explicit way. So thank you for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.